In RCM, the target is to improve quality more and more. DUEMILA is now at its 4th generation. It's the result of 20 years of developments based on experiences achieved in hundreds of different environments and heavy duties conditions. We are proud to introduce the renewed DUEMILA, a big, tough, powerful sweeper. DUEMILA is available in 3 different versions. 2 eco-friendly versions, 48-volt electric maintenance-free motor and 4-cylinder dual-free Kubota engine, water-cooled. Also available with diesel Kohler Lombardini engine, 4 cylinders, water-cooled. DUEMILA has a cleaning width of 1,900 mm with 2 side brushes and a maximum hourly performance up to 20,900 square meters per hour. The side brushes are retractable and protected from bumps. The hopper has a capacity of 470 liters. Dumping is possible on the ground or up to 1,545 millimeters high. The polyester sack filter is placed behind the driving position to grant a perfect view on the area to be swept. It has a filtering surface of 16 square meters. On the other hand, driving position, safety and comfort for the operator of DUEMILA have been highly improved. As all the RCM sweepers, DUEMILA is designed with overthrow sweeping system, the traditional RCM cleaning philosophy. This system allows a greater sweeping performance compared to machines of the same size with front sweeping system. Because of the particular shape, the hopper can be completely filled by action of the main brush, which picks dirt and dust up from the ground and throw them into the hopper from the top. The front driving position, also because of the overthrow sweeping system, allows the operator a wide vision of the front area for a precise and safe driving, preventing from incidents with obstacles or persons. DUEMILA is environmental friendly. The dust buster system vacuums the dust raised by the side brushes, preventing it to be spread around the place. This way, we obtain an absolute cleaning, especially in indoor areas. 2 powerful fans create an inflow through the filter which retains the dust, releasing clean air in the environment. The dust control discharge system reduces the spreading of the dust during the dumping operations, avoiding the driver to breathe dust. The ordinary maintenance should be easy and fast. This is a priority for RCM designer, starting from the replacement of the main brush. DUEMILA can be easily inspected and all components can be rapidly reached to be inspected or replaced when necessary. For the correct and long-lasting sweeping performance of any sweeper, it is essential to keep the filter efficient. During sweeping operations, to clean filters, just press the button and the electric filter shaker will clean the filters in few seconds. When extraordinary cleaning of the filter is necessary, you don't need to disassemble the filter, but simply use the proper tool, connected to a normal vacuum cleaner. To meet specific cleaning needs, the following optionals are available. Left side brush, front dust conveyor for suction control on side brushes, Kerostatic sack filter suitable for fine and static dust, overhead guard, closed cabin with AC on request, complete lights assembly. Do you need additional info? An RCM partner is always at your disposal, and remember that there's always a red one made just for you.